Welcome back to 50 Car. In a world teeming with mechanical marvels, the 2025 Pagani Utopia stands as an ode to human creativity and engineering excellence. Its very essence defined by bespoke craftsmanship and an unwavering pursuit of perfection. At its core, this hypercar's identity is forged from a hand-built carbon titanium chassis, a hyper-responsive aerodynamic suite, and a symphony of V12 power refined to near-artistic expression, making it as much a sculpture as a speed machine. Step by step, the exterior design unfolds like a living artwork. The front grille, a signature V motif, channels cooling air with purpose. Adjacent, the quad-ellipse LED headlamps lend an otherworldly gaze that pierces darkness. Sweeping body contours sculpt airflow along the flanks, while prominent wheel arches cradle custom-forged alloys. At the rear, an active diffuser and intricately layered tail fins merge form with downforce. Pros: unmistakable presence, cutting-edge aerodynamics, cult car exclusivity. Cons: delicate body panels demand meticulous care, limited visibility in tight quarters. Dentro: the cabin and dashboard merge artisanal luxury with driver-focused technology. A minimalist central display integrates telemetry, navigation, and bespoke Pagani controls, while exposed carbon weave and hand-stitched leather envelop the occupants in refined elegance. Each toggle switch and sculpted air vent is purpose-built, exuding tactile delight. Yet, purists may lament the scarcity of physical gauges in favor of digital readouts. Pros: exquisite materials, ergonomic driver interface, bespoke personalization. Cons: digital reliance may alienate analog aficionados, cabin noise at high revs. Performance is nothing short of mythic. The handcrafted 6.0L naturally aspirated V12 unleashes thunderous torque, accelerating from 0-60 miles per hour in under 2.5 seconds. Its red line crescendo is matched only by orchestral roar, while active suspension and rear wheel steering deliver razor-sharp agility. Despite its hypercar stature, it promises composure on both track and road. Pros: blitzkrieg acceleration, flawless power delivery, engineered precision. Cons: sky-high maintenance costs for bespoke components, warranty that excludes track-induced wear. Market positioning crowns the Utopia at a base price north of $3 million, appealing to collectors age 35-65 who crave peerless exclusivity. It duels rivals like the Aston Martin Valkyrie and McLaren Speedtail, yet remains uniquely artisanal, offering an unparalleled tactile driving experience that transcends mere statistics. Additional features include optional exposed carbon aero kits, a 10-year limited chassis warranty, bespoke luggage sets, and tailor-made in-car fragrances. Decision options range from custom paint pigments to personalized interior motifs, ensuring that each Utopia is as singular as its owner's vision.